At One Stop Decorating, a lot of our clients come to us and ask us about street-facing windows and what works best for those. And we typically have a couple of issues to deal with street-facing windows. First of all, you get a lot of traffic, a lot of people walking down the sidewalks, a lot of people driving down the street at night, and that hurts kind of both ways during the day and at night. At night, when somebody drives down your street, you typically see the headlights. You also see the street lights that shine in. A lot of our clients call us out to block windows, especially those half-round windows in bedrooms that allow a lot of street light to come in. So we do a lot of room darkening shades in street view windows. We also do a lot of shutters on the front of the house. People really enjoy wood shutters or composite shutters on the front because they really offer that really cool look from the outside that's in keeping with the architectural look of the house and looks really nice from the outside and is very functional on the inside for privacy and light control. For the evenings, especially your upstairs bedrooms or your front bedrooms on your ranch homes, typically any type of shade that's going to be room darkening is really going to block that street light or headlights that drive down your street. So it's not necessarily for blocking the sun when it comes up. It's a lot of blocking the light that's at night. One of the other challenges we have is during the summer, it's typically light in Kansas City until about 9 o'clock. And a lot of people go to bed before 9 o'clock. So we want to use room darkening shades for that as well, especially facing the streets. We've worked with a lot of clients that really have extreme light sensitivity, even to a point of we've actually seen black electrical tape covering the LED lights on the alarm clock. Really, there's a couple of treatments that do a very nice job with blocking all of the light. Hunter Douglas has a Duet Architella honeycomb shade that also has a feature called Light Lock, and it installs channels around the outsides of the shade so that we can mount that shade inside for a nice custom look, but we can also eliminate the light that comes in around the shade for those that really have that high light sensitivity. Also, we do a lot of layering on window coverings. During the day, light sensitivity isn't an issue, so we put a nice semi-opaque shade that looks beautiful in the room that allows light to filter through and take advantage of that natural light. But then we come back and cover it up with a decorative drapery. We put the drapery over the windows, beautiful custom side panels, so that you have a really nice look during the day and you have a lot of color and pattern that looks wonderful with the decor of your room. But also at night, you can close that drapery and really eliminate most of that light that comes in. If you're concerned about the light that comes in over the top of the drapery because of the rod hardware, we actually install custom cornices over the top, which would block that light at the top. We measure the drapery wide enough to block the light that comes in around the edges, and we do a nice room darkening shade on the window that helps eliminate the light that way. So while I wouldn't sit here and tell you that we can block 100% of the light in your room or what comes in, we can get pretty close at about 99%.